Welcome back to Lana Decor. Is your home still stuck in spring while summer is already knocking at the door? It is time to change that. Today we are walking through of the most beautiful, stress-free ways to transition your home from spring into full high summer mode. Let's get into it. One of the easiest ways to shift your home into high summer mode is simply swapping your throw pillow covers. Ditch those soft pastels and reach for cobalt blue, coral, or sunny yellow linen covers instead. You keep the same pillows, you just change the story they tell. It takes under 10 minutes and the transformation is genuinely stunning. A wooden bowl filled with lemons and limes is one of the most effortlessly chic summer decor moves you can make. Place it on your kitchen island or coffee table, tuck in a few sprigs of fresh greenery, and you instantly have a designer-level vignette. It costs almost nothing and photographs beautifully for your home content too. If there is one single swap that changes the entire feel of a room for summer, it is the rug. Pulling up a dark or heavily patterned spring rug and laying down a natural jute or sisal rug immediately makes the space feel lighter, breezier, and more seasonally alive. It is a foundational move every summer refresh needs. Nothing says high summer interior quite like soft, billowing sheer curtains. When you swap out heavy lined panels for white or ivory sheers, the quality of light in your room changes completely. The space feels open, luminous, and effortlessly elegant. It is one of the highest impact, lowest cost upgrades you will ever make in your home. Want your living room to feel like a summer retreat without a single renovation? Bring in the plants. A large fiddle leaf fig, a monstera, or a dramatic banana leaf plant placed in a woven planter instantly transforms a corner into a lush, high summer focal point. Greenery is the most underrated decor element in any seasonal refresh. Blue and white is the palette of summer, full stop. Navy throw pillows, white ceramic vases, coastal-inspired art prints, and a crisp sisal rug create a cohesive story that feels polished and season-appropriate. You do not need to redecorate the whole room. Just layer these tones into your existing space and watch the magic happen. You do not need to rebuild your gallery wall from scratch for summer. Simply swap out 1 or 2 prints, replacing moody florals or abstract winter pieces with bold botanical illustrations or sun-drenched landscape art. That small edit shifts the entire energy of the wall and, by extension, the whole room. Simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. Your entryway sets the tone for everything inside, so give it a proper summer welcome. Hang a seasonal wreath made of dried grasses or sunflowers, lay down a light-toned runner rug, and add a tall vase of branches or eucalyptus. It is the first thing guests see and the last thing you pass each morning. Make it count. Candles and diffusers are not just about fragrance. They are a genuine styling opportunity. Group 3 to 5 candles of varying heights on a wooden tray, choosing coconut, sea salt, or citrus scents that immediately evoke summer. This layered candle cluster becomes a beautiful vignette on its own and adds so much depth to any corner of your home. High summer decorating is all about dissolving the boundary between indoors and outdoors. Bring in rattan chairs, wicker trays, terracotta plant pots, and botanical prints inspired by your garden or patio. These natural, earthy textures make a room feel open and alive in a way that no artificial decor ever could. It is effortless and deeply beautiful. Your dining table deserves a centerpiece that feels as abundant and beautiful as summer itself. Lay a sand-colored linen runner down the center, add a low bowl of peonies or figs, place a few pillar candles at different heights, and scatter some shells or coral pieces loosely around. It is relaxed, elegant, and perfect for everything from daily meals to dinner parties. Here is a secret that every smart decorator knows. Mixing a few real flowers with high-quality faux stems is the key to full, lush arrangements on a realistic budget. Choose summer tones like peach, coral, yellow, and cream. Arrange them in a tall glass vase or a textured ceramic. From across the room, no one will ever know the difference. Your bedroom should feel like a cool, calm refuge during the height of summer. Swap your heavy quilt for breathable cotton percale or linen bedding in white, soft sage, or warm sand. Style it simply with just 2 accent pillows and let the texture of the fabric do the work. Clean, minimal, and deeply restful. That is the high summer bedroom. A bookshelf is one of the most overlooked styling opportunities in any home. For summer, group your books by spine color, clustering blues and whites together. Add a piece of driftwood, a clear glass vase with a single stem, and let a trailing ivy or pothose spill over one shelf. Suddenly your bookshelf looks like it belongs in a coastal design magazine. A row of small terracotta pots filled with basil, rosemary, and lavender on your kitchen windowsill is one of the most charming and functional summer decor moves you can make. It adds color, texture, and life to an often neglected surface. It smells incredible, it is practical, and it photographs beautifully. This is the kind of effortless styling that your audience will absolutely love. Spring decor tends to lean cool and fresh, but high summer calls for a touch more richness. Introduce brass candle holders, a copper picture frame, or a gold-rimmed ceramic vase into your styling. These warm metallic accents catch the light in a way that feels elevated and intentional. You only need a few strategic pieces to shift the whole energy of a room. Before you buy a single thing, edit what you already have. Walk through each room and remove anything that still feels like winter or early spring. Pull off heavy throws, clear cluttered surfaces, and take down anything that feels too dark or too soft. Once the space is clean and edited, you will be amazed at how summery it already feels. This is always the first step. Swapping out a few key ceramics is one of the most budget-friendly ways to change a room's color story for summer. Replace neutral or dusty tone vases with a cobalt blue ceramic or a terracotta bowl. Place them on your coffee table, your shelf, your dining sideboard. These small, deliberate color pops are what move a space from spring soft into high summer bold and confident. Instead of layering 10 small decorative objects, try anchoring a room with one large-scale piece of art. A bold botanical illustration, an ocean-inspired abstract, or a sun-drenched landscape above your sofa creates an immediate summer mood. Everything else in the room becomes a supporting character. One strong, well-chosen piece of art does more than a dozen smaller accents ever could. For a summer aesthetic that feels lived in and deeply personal, go boho. Layer a vintage-style area rug with a rattan basket, a leather accent cushion, and an eclectic mix of tropical plants on wooden shelves. Add a few ceramics and let things feel slightly imperfect and collected over time. This approach creates the kind of beautiful, characterful room that people genuinely fall in love with. There is no faster, more joyful way to signal summer in a room than a tall bunch of sunflowers. Place them in a simple glass vase or a woven basket on your dining table or entryway console. Their scale, their color, and their bold graphic quality transform a space instantly. Fresh or high-quality faux, sunflowers are one of the most powerful tools in any summer decorator's toolkit. If you want your home to feel like a luxury summer retreat, linen is your most important material. Linen curtains diffuse light beautifully. Linen bedding feels cool and breathable. Linen table runners and napkins elevate every surface they touch. The texture communicates ease, sophistication, and comfort all at once. Invest in a few quality linen pieces, and your entire home will feel transformed. And there you have it, stress-free, beautiful ways to move your home from spring all the way into high summer. From swapping throw pillow covers to bringing in lush tropical botanicals, every single one of these ideas is simple, budget-friendly, and deeply effective. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to Lana Decor for more decorating inspiration, and drop your favorite tip in the comments below. See you in the next one.